Hey guys, it's me. This is my lunch and a snack. I have strawberries for 0 points and a Baby Bell Light for 1 point, and I will probably just munch on those as I'm gonna go read and stuff like that. So it looks like a lot of food, but I mean I might eat it for lunch. I don't know. We'll see. But here is the hamburger soup. It's 4 points and we're just about out of it, so this may be its last appearance. We'll see. So 4 points for that, and this is a 2-point sandwich. It is 1 point for corn thins, 1 point for ham. That's just it's not even a teaspoon of Hellmann's Light, so it's 0 points. And I have spinach, tomato, and cucumber on here. So total is 7 points. 4, 2, 1. So that is it. I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's me. This is my dinner. This is sweet potato fries. It's 6 points for the sweet potato and 3 points for olive oil, so it's 9 points total. And over here I have 4 points for chicken, 2 points for Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 3 points for cheese, and 1 point for the 2 corn thins. So that is it. That is my dinner. I think I'm going to start doing videos. I have a friend, and I'll put her link in the description. You should really go watch her videos. But she just does, films or takes pictures throughout the week, and then just does a once-a-week video. And I think I might try that. There have been quite a few days. I was just going through my phone today. There are quite a few days that I had recorded stuff and never got around to doing a video. So I think I'm going to try that. So let me know what you think. Thank you all for the well wishes for, about me being sick again. So I'm feeling better. I'm on antibiotics, and today I feel better. So I just wanted to say thank you. So, all right, I will see you guys later. Bye.